Hi everyone, Marcy Peters here, America's Whole Life Coach, and this is your quick tip of the day. So, in life, we have the opportunity to do one of two things. We're either enrolling others in our vision or we're being enrolled in their vision, whether it's a friendship, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a project or a job or a work opportunity, whatever it is in life, we are either enrolling or being enrolled. So just something to consider as you move through your life. And what happens is we either have the opportunity to bring people up to where we are and be a leader, or they will bring us down. So again, that goes back to, are we seeing their vision or are they seeing our vision? And one of the ways I like to consider this is to set an example, be a leader by setting an example and allowing you to actually bring those around you up, or in some cases choose not to be around people who are bringing you down, because otherwise that's the possibility that they will actually bring you down and they will enroll you in their vision versus the opposite. So life is all about enrollment. Life is all about whose vision are we seeing, and something to consider as you move through your daily life. I hope that was helpful in some way. If you haven't joined my community, I'm at marcypeters.com or thehealthandhappinessguide.com, and I would love to have you as part of my community. And until next time, take care.